Now we're going to create a table that is similar to the previous one. We're going to so this is equal to this, and we're going to copy the other 6 elements, plus we're going to type here the target 5. Okay, then I'm going to format this. Okay, then we're going to make it bold. Okay, so how we're going to get this? Then I just select all this one. Okay, I'm gonna click on insert. So on the right here, I input this one. I'm gonna copy this as well. Paste, but I'm gonna call this order. And here I'm going to choose basically the order. The order is the following. This one is basically the number of rows starting from this cell, the first one, 21, to the current one, which is okay. So this is one. So I'm going to drag this down. Okay, now we're going to get this number. This number is equal to the index, so I'm going to get index. Okay, I'm going to get one of these. In this array, I'm going to get the row number, match this one in all this column. We're going to look up array of the sort here, this one. So I'm going to get exactly the one which is in the sort column. Okay, and then exact match. I'm going to close this, I'm going to close this, and I'm done. But I have to make absolute reference. So $B, $21, B, $20. I don't want to get down every time. The same is for the match. Okay, $K, $K21, $K 120, and $1 more. Okay, now I'm going to I created my sorted table. Now I'm going to get this value here. I'm going to do the following as for this one. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to paste this here, only that instead of having this one, I'm going to have this one, like this. Okay, and in this one, I'm going to copy the same formula. Okay, I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to just drag this set of data here. Okay, and I'm going to copy this formula. I'm going to paste this here. Okay, and I'm going to paste this here, and I'm going to paste this here as well. Just move the reference to this one, and then I'm going to do the following, the same for this one. I just select this. Okay, then what I need to do here is just drag this down. Okay, that's good. KPI 1 is, remember we have this integer. This one. Okay, we have this. Now we're going to get this value here. This, for this one, we are going to copy the same formula, but this one, okay, is this one here. like this. So I'm going to have a reference to the column with this. This, I just modify this with 2, and then this. And then we have 5. So we created this table here, and I will show you. So we saw now is based on the sorted. This one is even integer. So we have all these values. So we created the original table. We created a sorted table now. So this is a sorted table. So this table will change every time we're going to change the sorted by. We're going to create so the number like this. We're going to sort using this table. We're going to display some data here. This table to this table with these functions. We're going to see how to populate this one.